Everyone keeps saying that the real estate market is going to be better in the spring. It won't. Can't even pretend that it might be. We need to talk about this for two reasons. First, there's a never-ending wave of TikTok realtors all pushing the same recycled line: buy now, prices are down, best time to get into the market. Look, there are people in this industry who will always be prepared to tell you that now is the best time to buy or sell. Second, there are sellers who are convinced that if they can just hold on until the spring, that things will magically be better. Neither of these things are true. We are in a COVID cash detox right now. In 2019, 2020, federal spending was around $373 billion. In 2020, 2021, federal spending jumped to $644 billion. That's almost $300 billion in extra spending just injected into the economy. Money that supercharged prices, spending, and debt. That was a once-in-your-lifetime event that even BMO Economics says is impossible to repeat. If you're a buyer in the market right now and you're actually working with an agent that's on top of the data and the way the market is trending and not just trying to turn you into a paycheck, good news, you might actually be able to negotiate yourself a really good deal to future values, because the expectation is that prices are going to continue to drop. It's my opinion, you don't have to like it. But if you don't need to buy and you can't negotiate yourself a really good discount on what you want to buy, maybe you should just wait. Especially if you're a first-time buyer right now. Sometimes it pays to be patient. Sellers, you're pulling your listings off the market, you're telling us that you're gonna wait until the spring. You will likely get less money in the spring because nothing in the data, nothing in the economy points to the other direction. Maybe I'm wrong, but if you truly believe it's gonna be better in the spring, tell me why. Because it's certainly not because of the fundamentals that drive the market. Consumer confidence in real estate right now sucks. The economy, employment, wages, cost of living are not seeing any meaningful improvement. Inflation is still an issue. Look, in some areas, peak buyers are down 25, sometimes 40% from the prices they purchased. It's brutal, I get it. But unless you have the ability to hold on to that property for the next 10, 20 years, it's really unlikely that we're gonna see those prices again anytime soon. This isn't a seasonal slump. We're like 2 to 3 years into this. It's a structural reset. The spring market isn't coming to save anyone. It's coming to remind everyone that the COVID boom has busted.